read Article 99.1. Tio Article 99.1. No, it's the clear. We can only capacity be Tio what is one capacity. So much as I could be my declare vacant. Mupo, my declare vacant. Constitution is only the High Court. Tio High Court to know. We be declare it be vacant.
I don't know can you say.
That is clear in our constitution. Gent American or can say our constitution. I don't
know can you.
NDC MPs no munshia dia kakra munshia dia mo lawyer for mo ncherchere mo amabo.
Answer na speaker no ebenya sa right. I just on High Court. No akwaje to me. Now wait me am vacant seat no. That is the law. And Speaker of Parliament, you know this law because you are a lawyer of high repute. You know this law. You have been the longest serving parliamentarian Ghana has ever had. So you know what I'm talking about. And but you know what? Because of politics and political expediency, you know, was it made the law the better chain? Now my bibia and who he has a me.
Hello, keep watching Xposedgh, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposedgh. Patch of bro, subscribe, yeah, subscribe, mommy. We are open for business, birthday parties, funerals, whatever. Live streaming, we did. Speaker of Parliament, wayen in your monse, media sana mekano, waman Ghana, your Parliament, you know, according to some, ever since we took him as Speaker of Parliament, it's been down. We don't know what is really happening. Now, Bonohene was a speaker only rights. Was a speaker. You don't have the capacity, only focal. You are just like me. You don't have the right to vacate a seat. You go to Nimra.
Already Article 99.1. Tio Article 99.1. No, it's the clear.
Etumpan.
Speaker no capacity be Tio what is
Etumpan.
One capacity. So much as I could be my declare vacant. Mupo, my declare vacant. Constitution okay. It's only the High Court. Tio High Court to know who can say we be declare it be vacant.
I don't know can you say.
That is clear in our constitution. Gent American or can say our constitution yenhia de.
I don't know can you say.
NDC MPs no munhia de kakra munhia de mo lawyer for mo ncherchere mo. Na mabon.
Chenia kasa.
Mabon dodo. Mun read Article 99. 1A is stating clear.
I've been Cassia Sunda, I've been get 20 years.
And in Caspic Kakra from Nokaya. Ato forcing. Cabet my catcher and say, Papa, Constitution and Teresa won't mean declare it be vacant unless you call High Court.
I've been Cassia Sunda, I've been get 20 years yet.
Now, what do you say? Ato forcing say, Wako who say, and Crophobia or my Imra Shabafie, Omudia Bankrata so, our Mujasa Quantum Cro. Ne sentini jina so na pamo mu from my imra de fie na speaker so jina so medical mu sit no vacant
etumpan
na sa ne abu ma ne dia san kama ne yabu na sa ne say ya o
etumpan
ya demra ene ya adwuma rule of law
etumpan
amamo ne nya standing orders ne ya de adwuma
etumpan
nya parliament mo standing orders no ene ya de chichire man no constitution the 1992 constitution and ade avre ho asefem ne say NDC and I did 1992 constitution by so montiasie
etumpan
constitution no NDC for NDC one among you mo drafted constitution no but it seems a constitution no montiasie because constitution no montiasie sadia we ya kunwi ka hu nimfa so
etumpan
but because amakoye survey na ma hu se mo lusu parliament no mo be yekitikitimbe dedi mo ya dan twu mu tan mo be lusu 26 I'm telling you trot
etumpan Chenia kasa.
We are Ghana niya. Chura 26 o ma lose awie. Ya chi omo. Omo asabe. Me man kobi. Omo amuku ye sabe sansuma ye mprensa. Busman me kwa mprensa. Ya se mbo lusu.
Etumpan.
Enti sadia yanya acrobatics bi na yenya nnuoma bi na yenya kitikiti. Na wunya Ahmed Ibrahim Banda MP tieme. Na wo sori gina wo boso se ye be kotena ni ye kotena no ba bia majority do no ho ne ye be kwa speaker and declare mo majority muntie
wa she
and this for na munhua de muntie speaker and kan kira NDC MPs ne se Omo majority.
Chenia kasa.
Speaker some kind is what declare seat no vacant.
Etumpan.
And Jabani sign a walk was a quarter majority baby as omutana.
Etumpan.
Maybe I try the first some figures here, Juma.
Etumpan.
Some parliament, yeah, kind a parliament. I can't watch me and sa no more Juma in our baby, yeah, a parliament. Now watch me.
As somewhere me can't perform to myself. Constitutional state is very clear. Fine. Obiko independent. Yet me uniform. And the party laws. But on him, answer na speaker no ebenya sa right. I just want go high court. No wakwaje to me. Now let me have a vacant seat. No, that is the law. And Speaker of Parliament, you know this law because you are a lawyer of high repute. You know this law. You have been the longest serving parliamentarian Ghana has ever had. So you know what I'm talking about. And but you know what? Because of politics and political expediency, you know, was it made the law the baton chain? Now my year bibia and who he has a me. Every monka say he did right by saying, say, Ghana, we should go. Mr. Look, say, I said, me see ya, make a me holding the honorable Bagbin. Full responsibility. I said, oh no, causing mayhem in Ghana. Because when you be, and yes, wow, yes, you will be beer who can be beer the fatay. And you be one man, so when to me and so at the enemy now, Cassio, say that intimidate ya o bokro. And no be Nanaka speaker, Copasan Coyeno. Copasan Cobokro. Because and you crona ye boy, I didn't know to me and make a rule and be say. While you know, say, and some call high court, not high court, it may grant us, so say, go and declare. You are Speaker of Parliament. Why don't you want to say, or can be in Kabiu? They be America. But you see, you are not a law to yourself. You can Speaker of Parliament. Who is the Speaker of Parliament? Or control the proceedings in Parliament. That's it. That is it. The Constitution says that. It does not go say because you can be acting president, you can take laws. We've seen speakers of parliament who are, nobody has done this. Now, for say MPP for and so what? Was it right or wrong? If it is wrong yesterday, it's wrong today. Former, majority leader, Chebe, I say, such time no more. I said it was wrong. It is now should it be right? No. It because of party politics. Our personal interest in see, we don't even think about Ghana. I don't think I make it as a constitution, no. No. The Speaker of Parliament does not need to belong to any party for fairness to what prevail. Niama ye see a Jimmy because when be funny party one party, there wouldn't be trust that. We know this in party for me be a Jimmy, and then I get seen Jimmy sir. You know what I'm talking about. Because there wouldn't be trust. For referee no. By a constitution, that is what it is. Until I be who nyansa constitution in there, kwasi asem say and beba. Na MPP can't kwasem, na NDC can't kwasem. Meanwhile, they know what they have to do if they want to solve this problem. They are not doing it because it's benefiting them. It's why otina bas both NDC and MPP. Mu kon mu Jimmy and Pro Max. Because I want to acquire no. Na kwa dey. Obi a wokunu. No agya wokunu say me kwa ho. Wokwa na shutu wa yakukwa. Yes abi anim. Asem na da ho no. Speaker, you have the right to redeem yourself by making sure say what the Supreme Court has said in its wisdom should stand. The only independent body kakra Ghana the judiciary. Say you're running it down based on politics. We don't have Ghana. We don't have Ghana. Let's think twice. Both NDC and the Jimiano Dawson said the judiciary, if we run it down, we don't have Ghana. And if we don't have Ghana, you will suffer, me, I'll suffer. I don't want to suffer. You want to suffer. So Speaker, do what they did for. I expose your chef and members. So I just subscribe. It's too pair. Now I can be doing
watching Xposedgh, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.